Hello, you guys. It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel for the love of. If you're joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome and thank you for taking the time. We got a lot of candles. For taking the time to click on this Bath & Body Works unboxing. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome on back. You guys, I hope you're all doing well. Hope everyone's hanging in there. Out here in Michigan, continues to be beautiful, beautiful weather. Summer's finally here. I see a lot of you guys online posting about your Bath & Body Works hauls, semi-annual sale. Some stores are opening up, some aren't. There's actually a couple in my area that are open. Rumor has it, it's like a 2-hour wait to get in because of the whole capacity thing. Haven't made it in store yet, but what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is my most recent Bath & Body Works online order. This was actually purchased before semi-annual sale, about maybe a week or so before when they were doing the candle sale. So today we're going to be doing candles and soaps, no body care, no semi-annual sale items. Doesn't mean I won't do a haul at some point for semi-annual, but these were all off of the candle sale. So let's get into the unboxing, but before I dive into that, I am going to read you guys the price points of the items. It looks like this is when the candles were on sale for $14.50 a piece, and then I did get some soaps on the 4 for $20, 6 for $24. I didn't have a coupon. Rumor has it that if you did have like one of those old 20% off coupons, I think they're still valid. I didn't have any, and I know Bath & Body Works isn't handing out coupons too much, so I wish I would have had one. Not the best sale, but I needed candles and I needed to stock up. So anyhow, you guys, without further ado, let's just get into the unboxing and I'll show you what I got. All right, you guys, so weird camera angle for a second here, but I did just want to show you guys how nicely this was actually packaged. I was wondering if they were going to come in one order or separate orders. I didn't know if they were going to pack candles with soaps, but I did want to show you guys, look how nicely, this is actually how, it's a huge box, how it arrived. So they had the candles all stacked very neatly, very nicely, and then the soaps at the bottom. None of my candles were broken, nothing chipped, anything like that, so I do appreciate that. They did, of course, also have the packing on the top of it, and you know, I know a lot of people get issues sometimes with their candles being broken. I have never had an issue, thankfully, from Bath & Body Works with it being packed incorrectly, so just throwing that out there. A lot of you guys are doing semi-annual sale orders, things like that. Mine came okay. They seem to be kind of being thoughtful when they're packing them, so I did appreciate that. All right, you guys, so we're gonna kick it off with candles, as I always do. I'm gonna pull it random. Let's take a peek and see what one I got. You guys might already know from the topper on this. Let me see if this is the one I'm thinking it is. Yes. So I've seen some of you guys already post on Instagram with this candle I'm about to show you that it's been light, that it's a light thrower. So this one is warm apple pie. You can tell with the cute little deco lid on there, cute 4th of July packaging. This one was part of the sale when I purchased them. Don't know if this one's on sale right now during semi-annual, but I did get this one, of course, at $14.50. I love this fragrance. I've used the wallflowers of this in the past and burned the candle. Last summer season, I did not get this candle, so I don't remember if it threw last year or not, and I was kicking myself for not getting it, so that's why I got it this year. Some of you have said that it's very light. So I will definitely do an Instagram follow-up and probably an individual dedicated video just for this candle. Those of you who aren't familiar with warm apple pie, I'll read you the notes. The notes are baked Granny Smith apple, melted brown sugar, and flaky crust. I am not a huge green apple person unless it's blended with something. So this one, to me, scent-wise, it's balanced really well. You don't get just like a full-on green apple. You get apple mixed with pie crust, mixed with like a warm, sugary kind of note. Always thought this one had a really nice, authentic fragrance. We'll see how it is when I actually burn it, but from what it sounds like, some of you guys are saying it's light. Let me read you the last 4 of the batch on this one. So the last 4 are AGA5. So we shall see. I will definitely do a video on this one. I love the scent, so I do hope this one throws. So that's warm apple pie. So this is one of the ones that I doubled up on. You guys probably won't be surprised to see this one. One of my favorites. One of my favorites. Had to grab a berry waffle cone. There is another berry waffle cone in the box, hopefully. Smells a little light on cold. I don't know Okay, we'll see how this one is while burning. Smells a little light. Let me read you the notes for berry waffle cone. The notes are sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. This pairs so good with blueberry pie. If you're like a pie, yummy bakery fan, the two of them together, amazing. The one thing that I was really bummed about when I placed this order is that blueberry pie was not on that promotion. So blueberry pie was not part of the sale. Let me see if I can find my other berry waffle cone. Yes, I think this is it. Which was too bad because I would have gotten a blueberry pie, but it just wasn't on promotion and I'm not paying $24.50 for a candle. There's the other berry waffle cone right there. They both smell a little light. The batch on this ends in AG A3. I'm assuming this one does too. AG A3. So I will definitely do obviously videos and reviews on the AG A3 berry waffle cone. If you guys have burned this one, comment down below. Got 2 more candles for you. I should have grabbed another one of this one, the one I'm about to show you. One of my favorite summer staples. That's none other than Summer Boardwalk. Smells amazing, smells like Summer Boardwalk. This one can be kind of intense. Those of you who haven't burned Summer Boardwalk before, let me read you the notes if you're not familiar. The notes are caramel, glazed popcorn, taffy apples, and sweet cream. This one I typically burn, it's almost like a fall transitional scent. I usually only burn 1 or 2 a season. I do wish I would have grabbed another one. It's just very strong. I feel like the caramel apple note in it kind of has a fall vibe. So for me, typically I don't even burn this till like end of August. Usually it's a strong thrower. I will wind up burning this one so I can get you guys a review on this year's version. Remember, we have one more candle. I don't remember what one I wound up getting. Oh, I remember what it is. White Barn label. This isn't gonna surprise you guys either. If you followed me for a while, I'm kind of on a bakery only kick right now. So all my candles are all yummy, foodie fragrances. Big shocker that I would grab strawberry pound cake. I have not burned the White Barn version yet. And you guys, if you followed me for a while, you know my gripe with this candle. I love the fragrance, love the scent. I still think it smells different than when it originally launched at the very beginning of this year. So we'll see how the White Barn one burns. The batch code on the White Barn strawberry pound cake is 8A11. It's kind of rubbed off. Looks like 8A11. Let me read you the notes for strawberry pound cake. The notes are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. This one does smell really good. I feel like with this one, at least on cold, I'm getting more of that whipped cream note than anything else. We'll see how it is when I actually burn it down. Those of you who have burned this version, definitely leave it in the comments below. I'm curious to see how that one burned for you. And you guys, that is it on all of my candles. Let's move on to soaps. I am kicking myself for not getting more. This, like I said, is on the 4 for $20, 6 for $24 promotion. I only got 4 soaps because I was waiting for semi-annual sale to launch so I could grab more of them. They're not doing any special $3.50 soap promotions or anything, at least online. Those of you who have been in store to Bath & Body Works, leave a comment below. I don't know if Bath & Body Works is actually doing a $3.50 promotion on select soaps. So I wish I would have grabbed more for the order. So I only have 4 of them to show you guys. So the first one I grabbed, I did double up on one of the scents. So that was the fresh strawberry tart. I've never tried this one before. Don't know if this is a new scent. Don't remember this one being out in the past. And if it was, I haven't tried it. So I thought it would smell good. Let me read you the notes and then I'll do a first sniff impression. So the notes are fresh picked strawberries, orange zest, and bergamot. I was hoping it would maybe be more of a bakery scent. We will find out. It's okay. It's not bad. If you like a fresh fruity strawberry, I think you're gonna like it. I don't get too much orange. I get more of a strawberry and bergamot. I was really hoping it would be more of like a strawberry crumble or a strawberry bakery fragrance. If you like fruity type fragrances, you might like this one. Not a bad scent by any means. I definitely get strawberry, mainly strawberry, and a little bit of like a warm bergamot. The other one I got, and this one's been out for a little while, I believe, Be Magical, which is unicorn milkshake. The notes are sugared vanilla and passion fruit. Anything with vanilla, I love. We'll see if it's super fruity or more vanilla-y. This one's really pretty. This one kind of, this is gonna sound weird, but do you guys remember Be Joyful from Bath & Body Works? It came out like 4 years ago or so. It was like a sugary sweetened fragrance with maybe a little bit of vanilla. Kind of reminds me of that. I feel like this would blend well with most any fruity summery fragrance. So that's Be Magical. And I have one more. I almost didn't get this one, but I got Cherry Vanilla Float. I can be kind of weird with cherry fragrances. Sometimes they smell super artificial to me. So the notes for this one are juicy cherries, shaved coconut, and vanilla cream. This one's really pretty. Actually, of all the soaps I got, this one's probably my favorite. So I kind of wish I would have doubled up on this one versus the fresh strawberry. This kind of just has a really smooth cherry. To me, it doesn't smell like a super sweet, fakey type cherry. Very, very smooth and like a creamy vanilla. What's the other note? They said coconut. I don't get coconut out of this. I really just get like a smooth cherry with a little bit of vanilla. Really, really pretty. Seems a little light, so we'll see how this one is. And obviously with any of the soaps, you guys will catch them in my empties videos, and I'll do kind of post-use follow-ups on them whenever they make it to my empties. All right, you guys, and that is it for me today on my Bath & Body Works haul. Like I said, I wish I would have grabbed more soaps. Definitely waiting for Bath & Body Works to do some sort of $3.50 sale during their semi-annual sale. Who knows if we'll get that. If you guys have used any of these candles or soaps, leave it in the comment below. Let me know which ones are your favorites, or let me know what you guys are burning right now. Before I sign off, I do also want to let you guys know I'm on Instagram. So if you're on there, come find me at life, LIFE_with, WITH_L. I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls, post candle follow-ups, wax follow-ups. If you're into vendor wax, come find me on Instagram. I'm posting a lot of vendor wax stuff on there. If you're on Instagram, come find me. You guys, that is it for me today. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome evening, weekend, whatever time it is you're watching this video. And until next time, we'll see you later.